type of evaluation performed with the GSI 18 will vary depending on the facility. Be sure to follow the test guidelines of your facility to complete the evaluation. This may be one presentation at a single level for each frequency, or a threshold evaluation at multiple frequencies. Regardless of the test, you will need to record the results manually on the included audiogram pad or another form of manual recording. Select the test ear, frequency, and starting intensity level. For threshold testing, the goal is to find the lowest level in dB that the patient hears the tone 50% of the time. Press the presentation button to present the tone to the patient. If the patient does not hear or respond, increase the intensity by 10 dB and present again. Once the patient hears the tone, decrease the intensity by 10 and increase by 5 until the patient continuously responds. Mark the lowest level on the audiogram at the appropriate frequency, red circles for the right ear and blue X's for the left ear. Repeat for each frequency to be tested.